Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this platform. So to get started with a quick in-depth and review about MentorCruise. So to get started, MentorCruise is an online mentorship platform that connects professionals with experienced mentors in fields like tech, design, product management, and business. It allows users to choose a mentor based on their goals, whether it's a career growth, job preparation, or skill improvement. The platform supports flexible communication through chat, calls, and weekly check-in. It's a great option for those looking for structured one-on-one support with industry experts around the world. However, mentor cruise can be costly, with some mentor charging over $100 to $200 per month. Also, finding the right mentor may take time, and not all mentors offer a free intro course. Some users feel the platform lack upfront transparency on availability and scheduling. Still, MentorCruise is what if you are serious about leveling up your career and want a personal guidance from someone with a real world experience. It's especially useful for professionals in fast changing industries like tech and startup. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform. So if you find the video helpful, if you did, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more. Thanks.